Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Today is Best Bless Kitchen once again. Thank you guys for passing by my channel. If today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Here you get to get a lot of things from African, from Asia, from all kinds part of the world. Okay, today we are making a very rich breakfast. Okay, so today we are going to make a vegetable pancake, but it's gonna be full with vegetables, vitamins. Okay, in this area we're going to use to make our dough. I have 200 grams of sugar. I have around 20 grams of yeast. I have in this part 900 grams of flour, all-purpose flour. Okay, here I have 100 grams. I measure it grams, okay guys, and I measured it is 100 grams of butter. Okay, so here I have 10 I think 14 grams of salt. Okay, I have 4 eggs here, and I have my milk and water mixed together. My milk is 600 ml, while the rest is water. Okay, so it's supposed to be 900, but I don't know. Okay, so here I have my onions. You can use white onions. Okay, here I have my Scottish bonnet pepper. Here I have my parsley. Here I have my garlic. In this area I have my sliced tomatoes. I remove the seed of these tomatoes and cut it into cubes. Okay, I remove the seed and the flesh, the skin. Here I have in this part I have my chicken fillets. Okay, this is optional. Okay, I want to make it a little bit rich. I have my carrots here. I have my corn. I have my red bell pepper. I have my orange bell pepper, and I have my potatoes. Okay, so and I have a special bowl here. I will use it to mix all the dough together. In a bowl I will add my egg, my 4 eggs. I will remove it. I give it a little bit. I will add my yeast. I put the egg and the yeast together. Add my water and milk and beat them together. Add my butter, melted butter. Add my salt. Add my sugar and beat them together. Beat it for about 1 minute. I'll add my flour. I will stir it properly, and I will set it aside. It's gonna be something like this. Okay, you set it aside and cover it for 30 minutes. You cover it and keep it for 30 minutes. Okay guys, make sure that your frying pan is hot. So drop a teaspoon of butter. I'm not gonna use too much because what I'm going to stir fry is just the carrots. Okay guys, my oil is ready. Okay, I will turn it a little bit and add my onions. You can add all these fresh. Me, I don't want to add. I'll add some fresh. I'll add some stir fry. Okay, but while the dough is getting ready, I will leave the vegetable to be cold. Okay, I will add my carrot first and stir it for a little bit. Okay, I will add my chicken fillets. Okay, while it's cooking, I'll add little salt. No spice. Okay, so I'll add my carrots. Not carrot, potatoes. Sorry guys, I've added carrot already. Okay, so these are the things I want to steam. I want to cook a little bit, not because I don't want to add it fresh. Okay, it's a very rich breakfast, you know. Okay, it's full of vegetable and vitamins. Okay, I have cooked it for like 2 minutes. Okay, I'll off my gas now and mix everything together. So when the dough is ready, I'll pour it inside. I'm not cooking it again. I'll add everything inside. I'll wait for my dough to be ready. So guys, I have transferred it in a plate to cool down a little bit and wait for my dough to be ready. It has been like 5 minutes, 20 minutes, no 30 minutes right now, and the dough is not quite rising because I forgot to mix it with warm milk. Okay, so in case you're doing yours, okay, add the warm milk. Okay, this is the vegetable. I'll add it and turn it. After I turn it, I keep it aside and get my frying pans ready. My frying pans are getting ready now. My butter is by the side. It's ready. I'll keep it here, and the dough is just here. So I'll be doing it in 2 frying pans, guys. Okay. So guys, I will drop my butter in the frying pan. I like to lift it up like this. I will drop and let it cook for one side. The same thing in this one. Okay. While it's cooking, you can add spinach or spanaki. Okay, spinach. If you want, it's vegetable breakfast. Okay, as it's getting ready in the side, you flip it. Okay, so guys, because of time, I get in the third pan to drop the dough in it. Okay, so this is how I drop it and wait for it to have some bubbles on top before I flip it to I flip it to the other side. Okay guys, I will flip it now. Okay, so guys, I'm almost through with the mixture, so I'm going to serve you guys now so we can see how it looks. Guys, it looks delicious, it tastes delicious. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, share with your friends, share with your families. Okay, thank you once again for passing by. Guys, it's ready right now. I have finished it. This is exactly how it looks. Let me just show you guys one. You see, so open it, see a lot of vegetables inside, guys. It's beautiful. Okay, thank you guys for watching.